In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Zoom. Screen sharing is one of the fastest ways to walk teammates through a document, present slides, or get quick feedback without sending files around. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can use it on your very next call. First, once you've joined a Zoom meeting, look along the bottom of the window for the meeting controls. In the center, you'll find a green button labeled Share Screen. If your toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse over the meeting window to reveal it. Click Share Screen to open the selection window where you'll choose exactly what your audience will see. Next, decide whether to share your entire screen or just a single application window. You'll notice tabs like Basic and Advanced at the top. The Basic tab is usually all you need. Choosing your entire screen is ideal if you plan to switch between apps, such as moving from slides to a web browser. It's flexible, but remember that anything on that screen, open tabs, desktop files, or pop-up notifications, can be visible, so it's smart to close unrelated items and silence alerts beforehand. If you prefer tighter control, select a specific application window, like your presentation or a document. Only that window will be shared, even if you bring other apps to the front. Tip: make sure the app you want to share isn't minimized, or it may not appear in the list. If you use more than one monitor, you'll see each display listed separately. Pick the one that contains the content you plan to present. For readability, consider zooming your document to 100 to 125%, so text is easy for participants to follow. Before you go live, take a quick look at the options in the lower left corner of the selection window. If you're playing a video or any audio from your computer, enable Share Sound so everyone can hear it clearly. If you're sharing a video clip, turn on Optimize for Video to keep playback smooth for your viewers. These settings apply only to what you're about to share, so double-check them now. When you're ready, click the blue Share button. Zoom switches into sharing mode immediately. You'll see a thin border around the shared content, confirming exactly what participants can see, and your meeting controls move to the top in a compact toolbar. As you present, keep your cursor movements deliberate, speak to what's on screen, and pace transitions so your audience can stay with you. With those basics in place, you're all set to share confidently and keep your meeting focused.